today we had engagement with Ngaos and officials from the Ministry of ICT regarding government projects and in the county, communications, infrastructure, and we want to open up the interior of the county, accessibility to communication and information. I realized that most part of the county there are some places which are not covered by network, mobile network communication. So we actually met to see how we can those places can be open so that members of public can access even network, and also to open up the place for more development activities and also national government projects in those areas. Yeah.
The purpose of our visit is to connect and to coordinate with the National Government Administration Office and the government agencies to the ground, including the county ward administrators, so that we ensure that the network is serving the purpose for which it is meant and the last citizen is being connected. We are looking at the areas where the connectivity on record is, so that we get a feedback from those citizens. We are also getting their feedback so that as we move to the next phase, which will be having 22 sub-locations in Narok alone, we are able to feed into the technical aspect so that when they are using technology to identify the unserved areas, it is also combined with the experience of the customers, with the quality of experience of the citizens living there, so that the designs take that into consideration.
Na Thirikari ya kauti ya Nyandarua unyitaniri na ateteri a